Hey, how is it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this COMFIER hand massager that this brand sent to me for this video review. And I gotta tell you, after trying it for some time, I think this is a really good device, not only because it works great and it's super comfortable, but also because there's some others that kind of like work on just the palm of your hand, but this one actually works in each one of your fingers and each one of the pressure points of your hand. So if you are in the need of a hand massage, this could be a really good thing to do. Let me actually show you how it works and what you get out of the box as well. So out of the box, you're gonna find the USB-C cable, which you're gonna use to actually charge the device right here on the USB-C port. It's a rechargeable device and it gives you a really nice amount of runtime. So I think having this as a portable device, it's a really nice thing. They also included this really nice set of stickers. I think this is great. I'm a cat person, we have 4 cats. So I don't know, but having this, to me, was a really nice touch from this company. And they also send you the quick starting guide, which is super easy to follow, as well as nice to meet you brochure right here. They also send you gloves if you want to use them, like plastic gloves. But other than that, this is a really good device. It's extremely easy to use. It's comfortable, portable, and it feels great inside because this is a super soft fabric. And also something super cool that right here have rubber pads. So if you put it kind of like on a table or something like that, it won't move. So that's something really good as well. So to use it, it's super simple. Just put any of your hands right here. You're gonna see that you can see the holes right here for the fingers. So you put your hand right here inside and then you short press this button right here. And now the device is on and it's working. You can barely hear it, so I think it's great. And then right here, you're gonna find 3 levels of heat that you can actually use a heating pad. So that's level 1, that's level 2, and that's level 3 in case you actually need some heat to apply to your hand. And then right here, you're gonna find the intensity levels. So which is number 3, 1, and 2. And right here, you're gonna also find the different modes. So you just change the modes to the 3 different modes and you turn it off. So let me actually show you how it looks from the inside. I'm gonna change the intensity levels. As you can see, it keeps changing and it keeps kind of like applying the pressure do you need on the points of your hand you need. And I'm gonna setting the other intensity level and changing the mode as well. You can see how it works. And then you put your hand back again when it's turned off, not right now, which is turned on. And it feels really nice. I have to say, it's super soft to the touch, feels really good. It works great. And if you need a hand massage, this in less than 5, or I want to say like 10 minutes, you're gonna feel much better on the side of the hand if you need a massage. I totally recommend it. Let me actually turn it off. I do recommend this device. It is super easy to use, portable, rechargeable, looks great 100%, and for sure super easy to use. Like it, recommend the thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.